You get 8 hours of sleep. You barely move all day, but you still feel drained. You wonder what's wrong with you. Maybe you're just lazy. Maybe you've lost your drive. But the truth is, you're not tired. You're overstimulated. You expect rest to fix everything, but your brain doesn't get rest when your screen never leaves your hand. You've been drowning in content, reels, shorts. Every scroll gives your brain a fake dopamine hit, and every hit makes real life feel dull. Here's the science. Dopamine isn't just a pleasure chemical. It's the fuel your brain uses for focus, energy, and motivation. But when it's overloaded, it crashes, you stop caring, you lose clarity, you lose momentum, and suddenly even brushing your teeth feels like a task. This is why stillness feels uncomfortable. This is why you wake up tired, even on your day off. Harvard and Stanford studies show that constant stimulation causes cognitive fatigue. You think slower, you remember less, you burn out silently. But this isn't permanent. You can reset. Step 1, 1 hour of silence every day. No phone, just you. Step 2, sit with boredom. Let your thoughts get louder than your screen. Step 3, start your morning with discomfort. Cold shower, writing, workout. Anything hard. Before the scroll. You're not broken. Your brain's just overwhelmed. Take it back, and you'll finally feel awake again. You thought you needed more sleep, but what you really needed was less noise.